up, guys? Brian with SoCo Customs, and while this truck may look stock, we definitely threw the Icon Vehicle Dynamics catalog right at it. This truck came to us as a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn, and this customer spends a lot of time off-road, so we went with the 2 to 3 inch Icon Vehicle Dynamics lift kit. This is the stage 4, so it includes remote reservoir shocks out front, piggybacks in the rear. This kit has the tubular upper control arms up front. There are Zerk fittings so that you can service those ball joints. Now on-road, this stage 4 kit is going to handle a lot more like a sports car. Icon Vehicle Dynamics uses digressive valving, which means that it's going to soften up as you get higher and higher into the suspension travel, which means that when off-road, this thing is going to thrive at higher speeds. The customer opted to stick with the factory wheels, but the tires are the 285/60 R20 Cooper Discoverer AT3 XLTs. These are an awesome tire. One of the guys that works here actually runs these tires on his 2-wheel drive 4Runner. He's always been able to make it here on snow days. Great performing tire both on and off-road. These can definitely get the job done for you. And then of course the side steps are the rough country Nerf steps. They are going to be the cab length for the crew cab. And then we finished this build off with window tint, matched the fronts to the back of the cab, as well as added the brow. All right guys, Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.